Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming weekend, the opening weekend of November, Saturday the 4th and Sunday the 5th. Emphasis this weekend on a lot of dry weather. There will be some sunshine and showers through Saturday, especially across parts of the north and west, and overall it will feel quite chilly, if not rather cold this weekend. Certainly a feel of early winter out there. Temperatures near or slightly below average with some overnight frost certainly possible, particularly so as we move through into Sunday evening and Sunday night. Satellite imagery shows a weak weather system. This region of cloud here only just noticeable really. This will bring some patchy rain and drizzle into parts of the north and west through the rest of Friday. And essentially it is this region here, this speckled region on satellite imagery, which is associated with a northwesterly wind. And essentially this speckled region is again the highlighting the showery conditions arriving from the northwest, which will dominate the weather through Saturday in particular. If we take a quick look at latest satellite and rainfall radar imagery, many areas of the country have started the day dry, some patchy light rain and drizzle in places, but again it is predominantly cloudy. There's the region of cloud which was on satellite imagery approaching from the northwest, which again may well bring some patchy rain and drizzle into more northern and western areas as Friday progresses, but emphasis is on a pretty chilly day, some brighter intervals, but otherwise quite a lot of cloud. So let's take a look at the forecast weather charts now, putting the details onto the forecast. And again, through the rest of Friday afternoon, there's that region of rather cloudy and damp weather, just moving into parts of the north and west. But again, overall emphasis through the rest of Friday is a lot of dry weather, albeit with quite a lot of cloud. Now this evening and overnight sees that cloudy and damp weather filter southwards, clearing away to the east and southeast, perhaps the far southeast of the country, seeing some longer spells of rain around about the middle of the night tonight, but that will quickly pull away to the east. So we move through into Saturday morning with a pretty chilly start to the day, perhaps even some rural frost is certainly possible in the countryside, and essentially it is a mixture of sunshine and showers as Saturday progresses. Yes, there will be some brighter sunny intervals, particularly across more southern and eastern areas of the country, but this is the weather chart for around about the middle of the afternoon, and as you can see the showers will pack into many northern and western areas in particular, locally heavy, perhaps even with some hail as well. But you can see the further south and east you are, especially across this southeastern corner of the country, there will be fewer showers and some decent spells of early November sunshine. Now the showers will continue into Saturday evening and overnight on Saturday night. So again, particularly across parts of the north and west, across more sheltered inland areas of the country, the showers fewest with some cloud breaks, and that will allow for a drop in temperatures, and a pretty chilly night is expected on Saturday night. Note as well the black lines, the isobars, quite closely spaced together, indicating a moderate, if not fresh, northwesterly wind, and that will certainly emphasise or accentuate a pretty cold feeling day on Saturday, and again through into Saturday night too. So we move through into Sunday, and it is a showery start to the day once again. This is the latest weather chart for around about 6 o'clock on Sunday morning. Again, showery conditions, particularly around coastal areas of the north and west, sheltered inland, southern and eastern areas, predominantly dry, with some brighter sunny spells, and again a chilly start across many areas. Now through the course of the day conditions will improve from the west. This little bump in the isobars, this little ridge of high pressure it is also known, moves in from the west, and that essentially just kills off any shower activity. So through the course of Sunday afternoon, showers die away, all areas of the country become dry, and there will be some prolonged spells of early November sunshine. Now despite the sunshine it will be pleasant enough, but equally it will still be distinctly chilly, if not feeling rather cold. And then towards the end of the afternoon and into the evening, temperatures quickly drop away beneath this ridge of high pressure and clear skies, leading to quite a quickly developing frost on Sunday night and through into early part of next week. Now temperatures may rise across parts of the north and west of the country through into Sunday morning, but a fairly widespread frost is indeed expected across many central and eastern areas of the country in particular as we move through into the start of next week. So let's take a look at the temperatures now and highlight this quite wintry feel to the weather this weekend. Temperatures this evening dropping away quite quickly, just 8 or 9 degrees by the end of the afternoon and into the evening. Temperatures dropping away again overnight, perhaps 4, 5 or 6 degrees by the time we get to Saturday morning. Now maximum temperatures on Saturday probably ranging between around about 7 and 10 degrees as an absolute maximum. That is again near or a little bit below average for the time of year. When that is combined with that northwesterly wind, it really will feel distinctly chilly, and again quite a wintry feel to the weather is expected. Temperatures again drop away through on Saturday evening and overnight into Sunday. Certainly a risk of some ground frost at least across sheltered central and eastern areas of the country. As you can see, minimum temperatures perhaps just 2, 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. Temperatures through the course of Sunday generally overall similar to Saturday. Highs in the region of around about 7 to 10 degrees Celsius. Probably feeling not too bad, not just as cold on the Sunday afternoon, obviously given fewer showers and more sunshine, but then again overall temperatures will still be slightly below average, and then will quickly drop away on Sunday evening once sunset takes place, and then through the overnight period into Monday a widespread ground frost is expected, but across some central and eastern areas of the country air frost is possible, with minimum temperatures nearing 0 degrees Celsius. So particularly the further east you are, away from western areas, again central and eastern areas of the country, certainly expect a fairly widespread frost on Sunday night through into Monday morning, but the further west you are, temperatures potentially rising and frost a lower risk here. So let's summarise all that in our weekend weather summary. Looking at Saturday the 4th, sunshine and showers, these most frequent across parts of the north and west, locally heavy with hail as the afternoon progresses, but there will be plenty of sunshine though across sheltered southern and southeastern areas, and it will be cold nationwide, especially in the moderate to fresh northwesterly wind. Showery weather continues for a time into Sunday, particularly through the course of Sunday morning, but then as Sunday afternoon progresses, the showers die away and many areas become dry, with plenty of November sunshine through the course of Sunday afternoon, and then a cold evening and night will follow across many areas beneath the clear skies and lighter winds. So quite an early taste of winter on the way this weekend. So whatever you're up to, obviously you have a great weekend, and I'll be back with you early next week looking at the weather through the course of the working week.